principle of arc welding. Now we are going to see about the principle of arc welding. The arc welding consists of arc welding machine, work lead, electrode lead, electrode holder, flux coated electrode, clamp and metal plate. In arc welding, the electrical energy is converted into heat energy. The current passes through the workpiece and the electrode, which produces an electric arc. Due to the heat developed, both the electrode and the base metal get melted. The electrode and workpiece brought nearer with a small air gap of below 3 mm approximately. Slag protects the weld pool from oxidation and heat loss, that is slow cooling. Slow cooling avoids distortion and brittleness of the joint. In previous video, we have seen the principle of arc welding. Now, we are going to see the general setup for the metal arc welding. The metal arc welding consists of arc welding machine, electrode holder, clamp, electrode lead, work lead, negative terminal, positive terminal, and electrode. The work is connected to the positive terminal of a DC welding machine. The electrode lead is connected to the negative terminal of a DC welding machine. The electrode holder carries the electrode. This is the general setup of arc welding. The sequence of steps involved in arc welding is explained in the next video. Sequence of steps involved in arc welding. Here, we are going to see the sequence of steps involved in arc welding. The arc welding consists of arc welding machine, electrode holder, clamp. The leads are to be connected properly to the power source. The electrode is connected to the negative terminal of a DC welding machine. The work is connected to the positive terminal of a DC welding machine. The edges are to be cleaned with wire brush. Striking the arc, the tip of the electrode scratches on the parent metal. After scratching the tip of electrode for a moment, a gap of 3 mm, that is approximately, is to be maintained. The electrode should move along the length of the joint, maintaining the arc and avoid the distortion during welding. At the end of the run, slag coating present on the bed is chipped off and then the area is cleaned with a wire brush. Two dissimilar metals are joined by using arc welding.